Ever thought about growing vibrant, healthy plants, but without the soil? Guess what? It's entirely possible. Today, we're diving into how to start with hydroponic gardening. So, whether you're an experienced gardener or just planting your first seed, let's get into it. One. What is hydroponic gardening? The term hydroponics might conjure up images of high-tech labs or futuristic gardens, but the underlying principle is elegantly simple. Hydroponics breaks away from traditional gardening by eliminating the need for soil. But how, you may ask? In this method, plants are lovingly cradled in a specially crafted water-based solution that's teeming with all the essential nutrients they crave. This innovative approach allows plant roots to have direct access to these nutrients, ensuring they absorb precisely what's required for optimum growth. The result? Often, you'll find plants growing at a more rapid pace, yielding more bountiful harvests. Imagine a buffet where plants can pick and choose their favorite nutrients without any hindrance. That's hydroponic gardening for you, a seamless blend of nature's simplicity and modern ingenuity. 2. Advantages of hydroponic gardening. So why consider hydroponics? Firstly, it's a massive space saver, making it perfect for urban settings or homes with limited outdoor areas. Second, there's a noticeable reduction in pests and diseases since there's no soil involved. Plus, hydroponics uses water very efficiently, often up to 90% less than traditional methods. And if faster plant growth excites you, hydroponics has that covered too. Lastly, if you set up indoors, you can enjoy gardening regardless of the season. 3. Essential components for hydroponic systems. For those ready to dive into hydroponics, you'll need some basic components. This includes a nutrient solution, which is a blend of water and necessary plant nutrients. Then there's the reservoir, where this solution is stored. Despite ditching soil, plants need a foundation, so consider growing mediums like coco coir, perlite, or vermiculite. Circulation and aeration of the nutrient solution are key, so you'll need air and water pumps. For those growing indoors, proper lighting, such as LED grow lights, is vital. Lastly, invest in pH and EC meters to keep an eye on your nutrient solution's health. 4. Common hydroponic systems. Various hydroponic systems cater to different spaces and preferences. Deep water culture, or DWC, lets plants float with roots submerged in a nutrient solution while air pumps add oxygen. Nutrient film technique, or NFT, exposes plant roots to a thin nutrient solution film. The wick system uses wicks to transport the nutrient mix from the reservoir to the plant roots. Lastly, the ebb and flow system, also known as flood and drain, periodically drenches the growing bed with the nutrient mix, which then gets drained back. 5. Tips for hydroponic newbies. For those new to hydroponics, here are some guiding tips. It's always best to start on a smaller scale before committing to a vast setup. Keep a close eye on your solution's pH and nutrient concentration, making adjustments when needed. Keeping your system clean is crucial, so sanitize regularly to fend off algae and potential diseases. Remember, each plant is unique, so be sure to understand the nutrient needs of whatever you're growing. And finally, the hydroponic community is vast and ever-growing, so stay connected, read, and learn continuously. Hydroponic gardening offers a fantastic fusion of science and nature. With a bit of patience and practice, the rewards are bountiful. And before we sign off, we'd love to know: are you gearing up to establish your hydroponic system? And what plants are you keen on growing? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for joining us at Garden Club. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the wonderful world of gardening. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy gardening!